Hello, my wonderful learners. Welcome back to English Passage, where you learn English through powerful and meaningful stories. This is day 4 of our learning journey, and I'm so happy you're here. Our channel's motto is Learn English through stories. That means, by listening to the stories I tell, you'll naturally improve your vocabulary, grammar, listening skills, and your ability to speak fluently. So, grab your tea or coffee, find a quiet place, and let's dive in. You don't need boring textbooks or long grammar drills. You just need to listen, understand, and repeat with me. In today's lesson, we're going to focus on a simple but very powerful topic: how to ask and answer yes-no questions using the to be verb with short, natural replies. This is something English speakers do every day, and today you'll learn it in a way that feels fun, clear, and easy. Today's topic is extremely useful in daily conversation. We often ask and answer questions in real life, when we meet someone new, when we check if someone is free, when we confirm if a place is open, or when we simply want to show care. Questions like, "Are you okay?" or "Is it raining?" or "Are we late?" are all based on the structure we'll practice today. This skill is especially important because it helps us communicate clearly and naturally in everyday situations. At school, at work, at home, or while traveling. Mastering these simple questions and responses will boost your confidence and make your English sound more fluent and friendly. Let me ask you something. Are you a student? Is this your favorite YouTube channel? Are you ready to learn English today? These are all yes-no questions using the verb to be. What is the to be verb? The verb to be in the present tense has 3 forms. Am, used with I. Is, used with he, she, it. Are, used with you, we, they. Let's learn through a story. Sit back and listen closely. I'll read slowly and clearly. In a small town, there was a quiet neighborhood where everyone knew each other. One sunny morning, a young woman named Anjali moved into a small apartment on the corner of Elm Street. She had a suitcase, a backpack, and a little dog named Sheru. Anjali was nervous. She was new in town and didn't know anyone. But she was also excited to start a new life. The apartment was cozy, with a small balcony that faced a garden. That same morning, her next-door neighbor, Mr. Rajan, saw her through the window. He was retired and enjoyed meeting new people. Curious and friendly, he walked over with a smile and knocked on her door. Dialogue begins. Mr. Rajan, hello. Are you new here? Anjali, yes, I am. I just moved in today. Mr. Rajan, is this your first time in this neighborhood? Anjali, no, it isn't. I lived here when I was a child. Mr. Rajan, is that your dog? Anjali, yes, it is. His name is Sheru. Mr. Rajan, is he friendly? Anjali, yes, he is. He loves people. Later that day, Anjali went outside to walk Sheru. 2 other neighbors, Priya and Amit, were watering plants in their front yard. Priya, are you Anjali? Anjali, yes, I am. Amit, are you an artist? Anjali, yes, I am. How did you know? Priya, is your apartment number 12? Anjali, yes, it is. Come visit sometime. They smiled, and Priya gave Anjali a small flower pot as a welcome gift. That evening, Mr. Rajan spoke to his wife while watering their plants. Mr. Rajan, she is kind, isn't she? His wife, yes, she is. I like her already. The next morning, Anjali attended a community breakfast hosted at the local park. It was a cheerful gathering with music and fresh food. She met many friendly people there. Neighbor 1. Are you from India? Anjali. Yes, I am. Neighbor 2. Is Sheru your only pet? Anjali. Yes, he is. Neighbor 3. Are you interested in joining our book club? Anjali. Yes, I am. I love books. After breakfast, Anjali met a young boy named Rohan playing with a cricket bat. Rohan. Is your dog fast? Anjali. Yes, he is. Rohan. Are you good at cricket? Anjali. No, I'm not. They both laughed. Rohan invited Anjali to play with him. Soon, other children joined. Anjali felt welcome. Later in the afternoon, Anjali walked to the small town market. She bought fruits and vegetables and met the shopkeeper, Mrs. Sharma. Mrs. Sharma, is this your first visit to our store? Anjali. Yes, it is. Mrs. Sharma, are you new in town? Anjali. Yes, I am. Mrs. Sharma, is Sheru enjoying his walks? Anjali. Yes, he is. He loves the fresh air. By the end of the day, Anjali had made many new friends. She was no longer nervous. She felt part of a community. Anjali, thinking to herself, is this the right place for me? Anjali, smiling, yes, it is. Let's break down the grammar used in the story in a little more depth. Yes, no questions use the verb to be at the beginning of the sentence. This is different from a regular statement where the subject comes first. By switching the order and starting with the verb, you signal that you're asking a question. Positive short answers follow the format. Yes plus subject plus verb. Example, yes, I am. Negative short answers follow the format. No plus subject plus negative verb. Example, no, I'm not. We use am only with I. Is with third person singular, he, she, it, are with you, we, and they. Using the right form is very important. For example, we don't say, is you happy? We say, are you happy? More examples to learn and repeat. Are you a student? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Is he from India? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Are they your friends? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Am I late? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Is she your teacher? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Are we ready for the trip? Yes, we are. No, we aren't. You can create more examples on your own. Try speaking them aloud every day. Are you? Is it? Am I? This is a simple but powerful way to improve your fluency. Speaking aloud helps your brain get used to the rhythm of English. Practice these every day. Let's practice together. I'll say a question and give you time to answer aloud. After each one, try saying both a positive and a negative response. Are you learning English? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Is she your teacher? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Are they your friends? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Am I early? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Is he busy? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Now try saying these in your own words. Are you happy today? Try both yes and no. Is your bag new? Are we in the right place? Am I speaking clearly? Are they in the classroom? Repeat each pair several times. You can even write them down or record your voice. This repetition is key to building fluency. Let's take it further with mixed review. Is Anjali at the market? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Are we too early? No, we aren't. Is this dog friendly? Yes, it is. Try responding quickly, just like you would in a real conversation. The more you speak out loud, the more confident you'll feel in everyday English. Let's have a mini conversation. You will speak with me. Me, are you ready to begin? You, yes, I am. Me, is this your first time learning with stories? You, yes, it is. No, it isn't. Me, are you enjoying the lesson? You, yes, I am. Now switch roles. Ask me questions. You, are you my English teacher? Me, yes, I am. You, is this lesson helpful? Me, yes, it is. Great work today, my friends. You have learned how to ask and answer yes/no questions with the to be verb. You've listened to a beautiful story, practiced grammar, and built confidence through repetition. Don't forget to watch the video again, repeat with me, and speak out loud. This will help you sound more natural and fluent. Subscribe to English Passage for more lessons. Like, share, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep smiling. See you soon. Jai Hind. Vande Matram.